remember the Ranger, Ford Ranger Splash? Little step side, little pickup truck, they called it the Splash. I almost bought one of these things back in the 90s when they'd been out a few years. Let's see here, 93, bad engine, 6-cylinder, 4x2 manual transmission. And the door handle broke. Let's see if we can find an auxiliary door handle. There we go. She's missing the windshield. Seat's used up. Crossing the bed back here. It's always nice to have a Chevy hubcap in the back of your Ranger. What do you think? That is not the instrument cluster for this truck because it's still in it. I know there's a glare there, guys. Ranger Splash. God, that bed's got to be worth some money. Somebody's probably wanting that. Let me check the other side out. Up here at Nines Auto Salvage in Wake Forest. Tailgate's got a little something happening, but that can be fixed. A little dent here. I think this pickup bed's in good shape. Is that fiberglass? To be sure, it ain't. Anyway, it's in good shape. There's gotta be somebody out there would like to have that. See if we can get this hood up. Let's check out this bad engine, see what's so bad. There's a damn another Ranger. Yeah. Pop the hood latch would help probably. Oh crap, handle broke off. Oh well. That front bumper. The air dam. It looks like it's probably usable. Yeah, okay. Oh, this was a splash here too, but I think it's just a, yeah, that's just a regular smashed cab. Okay. All right, folks, hit that thumbs up if you like that splash video. Bob's Classic Cars and Bars, we're out.